Have you ever had these problems when you're bored out of your mind?
I'm really bored.
Why don't you go play outside?
Outside!
Hey, are you really bored?
Yes, what did you get out of that last thing?
I have just a product for you.
What? Here.
There. Hello everybody, I'm here to show you the new Capcom with the scope. This may look weird, but it's really awesome. Woo! This gun sucks!
Why don't you try the new gun with scope?
OMG! You can play with your friends. You can have showdowns with your friends. You ready for this?
Yeah.
3 steps and turn around.